Hello and welcome to Asian Kitchen. Today I am going to make a traditional Asian dish. It's a very easy to make and it's very sweet tasting dish. Okay, let's start with ingredients. We will need 2 cup of rice, 2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cup of coconut milk, a small piece pandan leaf, 2 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water and 4 cardamoms. Now let's start. First take 2 cup of rice in a pot and wash it thoroughly with the water 3 times. Add enough water to cover the rice and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 3 pieces of pandan leaf. Cover with lid and cook on medium heat until the water absorbs. Once the water is absorbed, stir it a little. And 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Now cover and cook on the lowest heat until the coconut milk also absorbs. Now our kiribath is ready. Now we have to make a filling. Let's make the filling. First place over the pan on the stove and add half of sugar. When the sugar turns brown, add half a cup of sugar again. Add half a cup of water to caramelize the sugar. Add 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Half teaspoon of salt. Add 2 cups of grated coconut. Mix it well. Once the water is absorbed, remove it from the stove. Now filling is ready. Take piece of polythene. You can use a foil paper or banana leaf. Put some of cooked rice on it. Then add the filling on top. And then add another layer of rice. Now roll it up like this. Let's see again. See like this. You can eat it after it has cooled down. It's very delicious. Try this at least once. If you have any queries, please comment. I'm ready to help you. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.